Hey y'all, how about today we make jackfruit taste like chicken and turn it into a yummy, yummy chicken salad sandwich. Let's begin. Why I show that? So what we're going to start with is a half a cup. Let's get started on what I'm calling taste like chicken. What I have in my pot, my skillet, is 1 can of jackfruit that has been rinsed because it kind of has I don't know, I always taste everything, especially new products, and jackfruit to me kind of has a sour, tangy thing going on. So I rinse it really good. And you've noticed I haven't broke it down like I have in the other videos. That's just because we're going to cook it and then we're going to mash it. It's a little easier, a little lazier, but you can most definitely pre-shred it if you want to. So what we're going to do is medium to high heat, and because we're going to use oil, we're going to add about a cup of vegetable stock, because remember you can add more, but you can't take away. And then in here we have 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of poultry seasoning, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. But the poultry seasoning is the most important because that's what kind of gives you your chickeny flavor. And then in here we have 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, which is also important because it does give us our buttery, cheesy, meaty kind of flavor. So we're just going to stir all this up, and then we're going to get it to a little simmer, boil. If you put the lid on it, it does help to create some steam. And then we're going to cook it and let it reduce. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes, so see y'all soon. Okay, it's been several minutes. I have this little tool that I got from Pampered Chef like 1,000 years ago, but it's kind of a chopper stir thingy that we used to use when we had ground beef, but we're going to use it on this, and just kind of cooked it a little bit so the jackfruit gets soft, and we're just kind of shredding it some. And then we're just going to continue to cook it and let it reduce. Okay, it's been several minutes. I tasted it. I love it. It tastes delicious. We're going to turn the heat off, take it off the heat. And just like when we made chicken salad before, you have to let it cool completely. So it's really best to make it like the day before you want it or in the morning or something, because you can see that it didn't take no time at all. And then just stick it in the fridge and let it chill, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so our jackfruit has chilled in the fridge, like maybe 30 minutes or so, and so I've just put it in a bowl. And just think about things that you used to put in your chicken salad back when we made normal chicken salad. So obviously you can use some vegan mayonnaise. We do have a video of vegan mayonnaise. Or you can use vegan sour cream, which we like a little better in this. So that's what I have right here. It's just some vegan sour cream. Now remember, you can add more, but you can't take away. So we're just going to start, I don't know, that's about 1/4 to a half a cup-ish. And then I have 1 tablespoon of, Dijon mustard. Because again, remember what we used to put in our chicken salad. And then I have some maple syrup. This is just like a teaspoon or so. A little sweetness. And then we have our seasoning. So this is just salt, pepper, dill, and rosemary. It's about a 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. But again, adjust to what your family likes. And then we have about a half a cup of diced red onions. And of course, you can't have chicken salad without some celery, so this is just 1 stalk of celery diced. Now this is for 1 can because it's just me and Steve, but obviously if you have a family or more, just double these amounts, add more to them. So we're going to give this a quick little toss to see if we need any more sour cream or mayo in it. The second day, if you were blindfolded and didn't know any better, you would swear it was chicken salad. So you can see it's not super wet. If you like yours a little wetter, feel free to add some more. And then we have some walnuts, because walnuts are a super healthy nut for you, but feel free to add some almonds or whatever you like. That's about a half a cup of almonds. Lord have mercy, half a cup of walnuts. And then this is about a half a cup of craisins. This is what we like. If you want to go more traditional, feel free to add some grapes to it or some raisins to it or just omit it altogether. We just like that little bit of sweetness you get. You get the crunch from the celery and the nuts and the onions, but then you get a little bite of sweetness with the craisins. I don't know. What do you think, Stevie? Is that enough or should I add a little more sour cream? A little more? Add another little dollop. Taste, 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 taste. Add some more salt. If you want some more salt. More pepper. A little cayenne would be good in this. That would actually be really good in this. A little cayenne. A little spice going on. So what I have here is just a baguette that we get at Walmart or Kroger. It's a whole wheat, kind of soft on the inside, chewy on the outside. And we're just going to do like you would do like a chicken salad sandwich. So I have some fresh spinach that we like. Again, like I've said 1,000 times, you don't have to reinvent the wheel here. Do what you've done. Just substitute a few items. Maybe too much lettuce. I hope Steve's hungry. Then I have some beautiful red tomatoes. I feel like we've been watching Gordon Ramsay a lot, and I want to say tomatoes. It's my British accent, y'all. Okay, so there's some tomatoes. We're going to add some yummy chicken salad in there.
That's stunning, stunning.
Gordon's here. Who knew? Now you can do this more traditional. You could do it. It would be really good if we took this bread and made little like crostinis with it. You know, if you were entertaining, it'd be really pretty. You know, a little appetizer. And Steve likes jalapenos on his and some pickles, so we're gonna add those to the top. But I don't want to touch them. Some pickles. There is our yummy chicken salad sandwich. Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and try the recipes, y'all. Be blessed. Thanks.